Hey everyone, it is Cathy Haig here at Terrace Honda. I am going to show you some features on the backup cameras that you get with pretty much any of the newer Hondas, whether they're brand new or not, but any of the ones made in the last few years generally have a backup camera feature. I think maybe other than a few years of the Honda Civic DX, which was really basic, and I don't think it's not even made anymore. But any new Hondas, especially that you get, all have backup cameras. They are a standard feature. And of course, I get a lot of questions about this, so I thought this might help you out. I'm going to change the screen around and just show you some of the things that we absolutely love about the backup camera. So what you notice now, the screen, it has to do with my phone, but if you take a look here on the screen, and if you know anything about our lot, you have here several different viewing options with the backup camera in your Honda. Now, if you know our lot very well, over here with it in backup, that is 7-Eleven way across the parking lot. And if you look over here, this is over in the propane tank, the section next door here, way across the lot. How this helps you out when you're driving on a daily basis. So when you go downtown, you know how it is. If you do like an angle park, for example, you will come back and be stuck between two really big vehicles, and it's really hard to back out on the street. If you can back out just an inch past the bumper, you can actually see what's happening and coming up and down the street, even though of course you're going to shoulder check, right? So it makes it, everything is in color. It's very clear and sharp. You do have predictive steering with all of them, and you can change the view as well. So you can put it to a narrower view, maybe if you've got a narrower driveway or garage, so it's less distracting. And you can even check right behind your vehicle. That's the back bumper there. And, make sure that your kids didn't leave toys back there, or the neighbor's dog didn't, park himself there. Anything that makes it handy. But for the most part, you can just leave it on the wide angle view and give yourself a lot more safety and protection, of course, when you're trying to back out in blind spots. So I hope that helps. Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. You're always welcome to message me with more questions. And let me know what else you'd like to see videos on. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now.